Hello everyone, a quick reminder that you can join our new Discord group. The link is available in the video description, and you can sign up for free to obtain daily signals and essential information about crypto. We have a VIP section within the group which you can unlock once you sign up for the general group for free. Just click on the Become a VIP member button and you're good to go. You can find the link in the video description as well as the comment section. Also available in the video description is our exclusive offer that gets you trading Dogecoin and any other cryptocurrency with a little extra head start. You'll get a 5% discount off every trade you make on Binance. All you have to do is follow the link in the description and you're good to go. In today's video on CryptoFox, we'll be looking at how buying Dogecoin between 30 and 40 cents can make you rich. Also in this video, we'll be looking at some of Dogecoin's latest news. We'll also take a look at some chart analysis of Dogecoin's price pattern. If you're watching a video on this channel for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications. Dogecoin is still drifting back and forth on the intraday charts, looking like it won't rise above the current dip. There is much volatility plaguing the market, and it doesn't seem like it'll stop keeping the whole market down anytime soon, with Bitcoin itself down by over $30,000 from its all-time high. Dogecoin is also hanging at 30 cents after falling from 72 cents. Many Doge enthusiasts anticipated it would go back on another dramatic price run, as observed already this year. But it remains on the dip. This leaves a high amount of expectations building up for both long-term hodlers and short traders. You have to be in it to win it. It's simple, yet we ignore it most of the time, especially when investing in Dogecoin. The price is lower than it was 2 months ago, and most people know we should buy into Dogecoin, but end up putting it off. In the end, it could end up regrettable, as when it recovers fully, we may watch this price trend up to higher highs year after year. This has become a sort of familiar occurrence in the financial world. It's not an excellent report, however, people know they should have bought Apple, Amazon, and Google shares 10 years ago. But they didn't until these companies grew exceedingly large over time and became too expensive to procure any shares. Cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin are the next big thing, and they offer excellent opportunities to make millions if invested. This year, Dogecoin is one of the many cryptocurrencies to invest in based on its price action from the polls. You don't need a consultant to do some recon for you. You can learn online and read blogs about some cryptocurrencies and why they're an excellent fit for investment. It's mind-blowing. The price action of Dogecoin is exceedingly practical. While it doesn't have rigidity, it functions as a viable means of processing monetary transactions. The idea of cryptocurrencies was to reduce our overindulgence in fiat currencies and the traditional banking system of the financial sector. Dogecoin is a crucial cog in the decentralized setup that can ultimately be used as money to buy goods and services without going through agonizingly stressful activities in banks. You can also use it to send money in a quick transfer with minimal charges. One of the platforms that have found the administration of Dogecoin as a practical payment option is BitPay, and it further contributed to the growth of Dogecoin. We're treading into an era where cryptocurrencies will get accepted by all. It would become so much that you can walk into your local bank and they'll help you set up a crypto account with one of their partner brokers. A lot of this can even be done on the internet. While Bitcoin is the most universally recognized crypto, it doesn't meet a quarter of the world's population's needs. And this is where altcoins like Dogecoin step in the gap. We've discussed why Dogecoin would be a good buy at 30 to 40 cents. It's still a pretty low price. The anticipation for Dogecoin goes much higher, and we can dream of it hitting as high as Ethereum and Binance Coin. The time frame is not specific, but the potential is there for all to see. Elon Musk is committed to helping Dogecoin improve its applicability, and this means it becomes attractive to businesses and institutional investors who could come calling and buying vast amounts of Dogecoin. It could later have its own ecosystem where other projects can be executed. That's the degree of utility that most cryptocurrencies are established upon nowadays. We would have more enterprising companies invest in Dogecoin, and we could have a Dogecoin options exchange in which all options contracts would be in Dogecoin compared to $1, where all transactions are executed using Dogecoin rather than the USD, and investors cannot just be expecting profits in their investment, but also use their stash for other kinds of things. Dogecoin is real money. Though perceived as bizarre, Dogecoin is still in its early stages, and that's why we're advocating the essence of buying Dogecoin now and at its current price. The free-to-air trading, sales, and purchase of Dogecoin is what makes investment so easy. As you can imagine, there are significant obstacles in getting institutions to invest in Dogecoin. This is just a mental brick wall they still have because Dogecoin is a meme cryptocurrency. We're getting to the second half of 2021, and Dogecoin could be set for a parabolic rise to about $1 to $5. There's nowhere you'll go where you won't hear about Dogecoin. Let's look at the current situation of Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies as a form of winter following the plunge in price. The buzz is building up for Dogecoin to secure a place in the mainstream, and it could very well become a regular in the equity indices of financial media companies like CNBC and Bloomberg. What's abundantly clear is how so much could happen at a breakneck speed. Buying Dogecoin now spells out the opportunity for a considerable profit to be made. And that's the rational conclusion that many successful investors in the traditional investment world have drawn for themselves as they invested in Dogecoin. When viewed through making an asymmetric trade, the benefit of upside potential is abundantly clear. For those interested in increasing their wealth, this is a pretty sweet setup. It's become much easier nowadays to buy Dogecoin, and you can even do so through some traditional brokers. Robinhood currently offers it, likewise Binance. We're still anticipating its enlistment on Coinbase. Suppose you don't own any Dogecoin, you should probably rethink it now. And if you already own it, you can't buy too much of it, especially if you make millions out of it. Dogecoin has held its position well since last week's price decline, and yet, over the past few days, its value has consistently declined on the chart, and there is a possible chance that the asset may witness a massive breakout soon. At recording time, Dogecoin was ranked 7th on CoinMarketCap with a market capitalization of $38.7 billion. After the instant recovery over the previous week, Dogecoin has consistently declined in value at a steady state. While it avoided any massive breakouts earlier, Doge broke out a symmetrical triangle at recording time. While the pattern indicated the possibility of a move on either side, indicators were largely bearish at the time. This means that it could still fall within the green zone below the price trend at around 18 cents. The market can be hard to speculate due to its volatility, so anything can happen outside what's been analyzed in this video. In this chart, analyzed on mCrypto, the first bearish divergence can be observed between the decreasing volumes and increasing price movement. The 50 moving average has continued to facilitate the crypto's overhead resistance, and the SSL indicator was projecting a sell signal, with the red line undergoing a bearish crossover. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, was picturing a hike in selling pressure, as the buyers were falling to sellers' dominance. The MACD completed a bearish crossover as well, with the orange line hovering above the blue line. Surprisingly, the Awesome Oscillator suggested that bullish momentum was increasing for Dogecoin, a finding that will possibly undergo invalidation going forward. The worst-case scenario for Dogecoin would be a retest of 21 cents. However, the particular range of 21 to 18 cents is also a demand zone for the asset, one that may allow the coin to facilitate more substantial moves upwards after the retracement. Market momentum will be critical going forward, and bullishness will be mainly lacking for the meme coin. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that notification bell so you can get updates whenever we post a new video. What do you think of Dogecoin's latest price movements? Are you anticipating an uptrend or a downtrend? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And don't forget to join our free Discord group via the link in the description. While you're here, go ahead and check out some of our previous videos. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Hollywood perfect.